Since we switched to AkzoNobel, there's no issues with anything in the refinish department of my collision center. I didn't have to do anything to switch over. Everything is seamless. They followed up. The painters learned the system in about 2 days. They love it. It's just a great system that we use.
We're pushing 400 cars a month through the paint booths, and the normal struggles that you have with some other competitors, we don't face those issues with Sikkens.
It's very easy to match, so that's definitely, a big help in, getting the car out in a timely manner. Without the employees at AkzoNobel, there would be really no way we'd be able to get the work out as fast as we can. They come to the shop weekly, they ask every tech, what do you need? Do you need this? Do you need that? And we didn't have that with our previous paint supplier.
The training's fantastic. We come to the training center to learn about different things to help the business. Any kind of training that you want to get, you can get, and they support you 100%. With the other paint manufacturers, once you buy their paint, you don't see them. You don't know who they are. You don't know their names. The service and respect you get from AkzoNobel is like a team, and it's just a great thing. Yeah, great company. Yeah.